creating a sensory, non-messy painting?
What you'll need is some cling film, any type of tape, and paint of your choice.
And some card. First of all, if you sellotape some cling film to the table. Next, put your card on it. Then, using the choice of paints, put some paints onto your paper, like Amelia is going to do for us now. It can be anywhere over the paints. You can do blobs, you can do swirls. It's entirely up to you. You can put as little or as much.
So the colours that I've used today is red, white, yellow and green. Okay, so once you've done that, you will need to get a bit more cling film and some more tape, and you're going to have to get the cling film, undo it, put it there and start to roll it out onto your piece of paper.
An adult may need to help with the cling film. Once it's placed over, just put a little bit of sellotape on the sides just to keep it all in place, and then start having fun.
You can push it down and it'll feel really nice, soft, maybe even a bit satisfying. It feels like nothing at all, but it feels like cold and nice and weird. You'll just push it down for a little bit long, and then what you'll do is you will have lumps in your hands.
There's your hands, Amelia. So as you're squishing the paint, you can squish it down, you can feel it, you can swirl your fingers on it. Do you feeling the paint, but without getting messy? But if you wanted to get messy, get your hands in the paint without the cling film on.
You can also have a little bit more fun by just putting it on.
Once you've made your picture, carefully peel off the cling film. I have the bag ready. Put it straight in. And then you can just leave, you can either leave it there or move your picture to dry. So once your painting is dry, you can either keep it as a painting, fold it into a card, send it to a loved one, or I'm going to add a silhouette on mine. So once you've coloured in your silhouettes and cut it out, you can put it on your picture. This one may be a little bit small, next time I'll possibly do it a little bit bigger. And then you have your finished picture. Would you like to show us, Amelia?
Thank you for watching.